4 M's with a deeper dive into the 4th M, muscle. Greetings, MacCloud, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, here to quickly review the 4 M's and take a deeper dive into understanding the muscles as our primary metabolic reserve. I spent over 50 years intensely studying health, nutrition, fitness, and all kinds of natural therapies. I've learned a lot, yet I've barely scratched the surface. I constantly strive to put everything I've learned together and make it usable to improve my efficiency at helping people to achieve their health goals and overcome any health challenges. Developing the 4 M's concept is my latest breakthrough. Diagram of the 4 M's shows the relationship with the 4 M's and how they can interrelate with each other, and they do it in multiple ways. There's microcirculation, mitochondria, metabolism, and muscle. Here's a quick overview of the 4 M's and why they're so important no matter what the health challenge is. The microcirculation feeds our cells and mitochondria. The mitochondria package energy into ATP to run our metabolism. The metabolism is what allows for life and our very existence. The muscles are our primary metabolic reserve of protein and mitochondria. They also contain most of our microcirculation. If the microcirculation is restricted, the mitochondria become damaged. Metabolic efficiency declines, muscles and metabolic reserve shrink. That compromises our overall health, leading to disease. The importance of muscles cannot be overstated. Most people take them for granted or think of them mainly in terms of aesthetics or athletics. Muscles comprise our largest organ system. They account for about 40% of our total body weight. There are over 600 muscles in the body, and they're involved in virtually every aspect of life. There are 3 types of muscle: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Muscles allow us to move, walk, run, swim, write, speak, and make facial expressions. They provide stability and postural integrity. They're crucial for circulation. A combination of cardiac, smooth, and skeletal muscles all play roles in the circulatory process and system. They allow for breathing and respiration. They allow for digestion and chewing. They have genitourinary functions: the bladder, kidneys, the penis, vagina, prostate, ureters, urethra, and childbirth. They allow for vision and hearing. Organs also provide protection and self-defense. Temperature regulation. Over 80% of body heat comes from the muscles. A few fun facts about muscles. The heart is the hardest working muscle. It pumps about 5 quarts of blood per minute and 2,000 gallons a day. The gluteus maximus is the largest muscle. The ear contains the smallest muscles and bones. The masseter, our chewing muscle, is the strongest muscle by weight. It can generate over 200 pounds of force between the molars. An additional vital role of muscle that is not generally recognized is that of being our body's primary metabolic reserve. It's the only place where protein is stored that can be fairly easily accessed for both deposits and withdrawals. Muscles also where most of our mitochondria are located, and the main means or vehicle to increase mitochondrial health, activity, volume, and numbers. The ability to exert direct control over our muscles is perhaps the most important tool we have to improve our health. The microcirculation consists of the smallest blood vessels, the arterioles, capillaries, and venules. Although they don't get much press, they account for 99% of the entire circulatory system. Think about it: the heart's a pump, arteries and veins are like garden hoses or plumbing pipes. The microcirculation consists of something closer to irrigation hoses. They leak. They're supposed to leak. This leaking function is why they're so important. Hopefully it's self-evident that all 4 of the M's are interdependent. The microcirculation feeds our cells and mitochondria. The mitochondria package energy into ATP to run our metabolism. The metabolism is what allows for life and our very existence. The muscles are our primary metabolic reserve of protein and mitochondria. They also contain most of our microcirculation. If the microcirculation is restricted, the mitochondria become damaged and metabolic efficiency becomes compromised. That compromises one's overall health, leading to disease. I end with the illustration of the 4Ms as a simplified tool to help you understand the underlying cause and mechanism of all chronic disease processes. It's also the key to helping your body to heal and recover from all chronic disease processes, as well as to recover from most, if not all, acute injuries. If you find this information useful and empowering, I invite you to learn more about how we support the 4Ms, health, and healing at the Age Reversal Technology Center. Go to ARTC.health. I end with the illustration of the 4Ms.